Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from one Binance account to another. First, open the Binance app. Next, go to the Assets section, then tap on Send. Choose the first option. Now, paste the recipient's Binance ID, phone number, or email address, then tap Continue. After that, select the currency and enter the amount. Finally, enter the verification code to complete the transaction. That's it.